Exabanque allows you to manage your cash flow to anticipate your needs and surpluses, analyze and understand your flows, and optimize your liquidity. Let's see how Exabanque can help you. First of all, you must define a management structure adapted to your company. You can then create your forecasts and reconcile them with your bank entries, which will facilitate your decision-making. Let us study each of these steps in more detail. As we've just seen, the first thing to do is to define your management structure, i.e. determine your account groups by grouping them by company, by country, by currency, or according to other criteria of your choice. You must then codify your transactions. In this way, you determine your analysis axes by transaction type or by budget line by creating personalized codes common to the various users involved in the forecasting and decision-making process. All of this will then enable you to obtain relevant reports perfectly adapted to the specificities of your company. Once your management structure is in place, you can save your forecasts in Exabanque. By manual entry, defining a repetition period if necessary, by importing text files with separators, in CSV or Excel format, for example, or automatically when you send your remittances. In this way, when you validate the sending of your payment file to the bank, Exabanque automatically creates the corresponding forecasts. At this stage, Exabanque has automatically retrieved your account statements, and your forecasts are up to date in the software. You can then reconcile your planned transactions with your bank transactions manually, and automatically. To do this, specify for each of your transaction types whether you want your transactions to be integrated directly into cash flow or according to reconciliation criteria that you define. With this work, updating your balances and analyzing your flows will be simplified, which will help you make the right decisions. Consult here the forecast balances of your accounts for the period of your choice, in table format or in graphical format. You can prepare your balances to avoid overdrafts and meet your cash flow needs. Exabanque then simulates their impact on your future balances. After checking these new balances, you can send your balancing orders directly to the bank from this screen. Exabanque, having codified each entry according to your criteria, you can also analyze your forecasts by transaction type or budgetary code for the period of your choice, and download the corresponding reports in Excel and PDF formats. In this dynamic table, each cumulation can be analyzed by clicking on the total to access the details of the operations. Finally, to improve your return, manage your investments and financing directly in Exabanque. In particular, your purchases, sales of currencies, your loans, your term deposits, and your mutual fund portfolio. Do you wish to optimize your cash flow in a simple, automatic and centralized way? Exabanque is the solution. Don't wait any longer and test the software for free for 2 months.